Hi, and welcome to the Proud Recruiters. I'm Junior, and today we're kicking off our series on how to job search effectively. Whether you're just starting your job search or looking to improve your strategy, we're here to help. Let's get started. Now, our first tip is to start with a self assessment. Take some time to understand your strengths, weaknesses, interests, and values. This will help identify the types of jobs that are going to be a good fit for you. Next, update your resume and LinkedIn profile. Make sure your resume is current, well formatted, and tailored to the jobs you're applying for. Your LinkedIn profile should reflect your most recent experience and highlight your skills and achievements. Create a job search plan. Set aside dedicated time each day or week for job searching activities like networking, applying for jobs, and following up with contacts. Don't just spend all day applying to jobs. You're going to get a lot of fatigue and it's not going to help your attitude. Another thing you're going to want to do is research the potential employers. Learn about the companies you're interested in, their culture, the types of roles they offer. This information will help you tailor your application and prepare for interviews. Pro tip here is go to Google reviews and check out the reviews that they're getting from their own customers. This will tell you a lot. Next up, track your job applications. Keep a spreadsheet or use a job search app to record where you've applied, the resume that you've used, the status of each application, and any follow-up actions that are needed. This helps you stay organized and ensures you don't miss out on any of the opportunities that you've applied for. An often overlooked tip here is to develop your own personal brand. Create a consistent message across your resume, LinkedIn profile, and other professional materials that highlight your unique value and what you bring to potential employers. We've given you lots of do's, here are some don'ts. First, don't apply to every job you see. Focus on quality over quantity. Applying to jobs that align with your skills and interests increase your chances of landing a role that's a good fit. Now, don't get discouraged by rejections. Another don't is to avoid this. Job searching can be tough, and it's normal to face some rejections along the way. Stay positive, keep moving forward. Well, that's it for today's video on the introduction to effective job searching. Remember to start with a self-assessment, update your resume and LinkedIn profile, create a job search plan, research potential employers, track your applications, and develop a personal brand. Avoid applying to every job you see and don't get discouraged by rejections. Stay tuned next week for our next video where we'll discuss setting clear job search goals. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.